Yep. We've got to this point, changing tires. These tires was on the tractor. They are 14.9 by 28 on what appears to be an original rim, which is way too wide of a tire. And I got these. These are off of a Ford 8N. Now, I actually kind of like the looks of that. So, but anyway, I got the other side to do. I'm going to save one of these. I'm eventually going to break them down and get the rims sandblasted and stuff and repaint it. But I got to save one. It will fit on here. Because if you can see what calcium does to your rims. So I will bring one of those and put on here so I can use the loader on this tractor to load this thing, because they are filled and they are heavy.